Yeah, I am Rashmi Gupta, mother of Harsh Ganesh Gupta, who is attending Quiz-Shala for the first time this year. He's in 7th grade. He was very keen to attend these classes because he has, got good reviews from his friends Arnav and Anirudh and other kids that it has been helping them, as well as it is quite a fun class and good class. So he wanted to attend. So we made an effort to, get him into this system of, attending Quiz-Shala and see how it goes and all. Thankfully, it has worked out very well for him, and every class he wants to attend. He's keen on attending. He wanted to attend the field trip as well. This time they have gone to military heritage camp. He thoroughly enjoyed it, and the teachers, the kind of materials and the kind of whatever interaction he's having with all the teachers and the trainers or the friends, everything, he has been enjoying it very well, and he's quite comfortable, would like to come back to attend these classes again for the next year, because he feels that these classes, because in general in school they don't get that much time to go through the general quizzing material or some other questions or other up to they are not able to update themselves with the current affairs and all, which Quiz-Shala is able to make up for them. So that's helping them very much. He has started reading newspapers and all, but at times then the newspaper he wants to go through the YouTube material and whatever the teacher has conveyed it to them that this should be good. If you go through, you can find out next time when you are coming to the class. He would like to go through them. All have been very nice and very helpful, cooperative as such, and whenever we have asked for any kind of questions or query we have come up with, they have always resolved it very amicably. All also see, when you get few information, it actually helps you to develop the other skills as well, because all the skills as such come up with in your personality. The whole thing develops your personality as a whole. So that's how it is helping them very much. Everything is fantastic.